What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Velo, which has gone for an increase guys, over 30% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just about 1 cent, as you can see guys. And what we're going to be going through is, where is it heading to next? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, going past the 1 cent target, heading to about 2 cents is what we're going to be going through, and looking at his prediction over the short term, so the next couple of hours, days, weeks, as well as for the long term over the next few months and overall in 2023. How high can Velo go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is doing pretty well over the last 24 to 48 hours. As you can see, the last 24 hours it's up 11%, with Bitcoin nearly hitting $26,000, which is absolutely insane. And Velo is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it has gained over 9% in value. Over the last day, 33%. Over the week, again, 33%. And over the month, over 300%, guys. And yes, it did pump up about over 500% in February, and then took a little bit of a drop constantly for the last 3 weeks, all up until now, where it's starting to slowly gain back in value. But yeah, overall it is still up 300%, which is again crazy numbers. So going into the coin market cap website here, the trading volume has gone up by 85%, making it $30 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. And again, it's likely to go even higher over the coming hours as it keeps pumping. So we are of course going to see more people trading the crypto, more buyers, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers and it has been gaining a lot of attention. And a lot of people have also been researching into this project. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple at 0.008992 cents. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here at 0.009926 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line going quite bullish, heading very positive guys. However, it is looking too steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. And again, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping like this over the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to take a little dip in between over the next couple of hours before it pumps back up towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting Velo to be trading at about 0.011 cents to 0.012 cents, somewhere in between here by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, nothing too crazy. Do expect dips in between. Red candles are always part of the process, so don't expect it to be constantly hitting green candles for the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're not looking as steep right now, which is a good news. We do have the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, still looking positive, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what is expected from Velo over the next 7 to 8 days. So early to mid next week, we should be seeing Velo heading to around the 2 cents target. And again, I'm not saying it's going to hit the 2 cents target, but getting very close to 2 cents is what I'm expecting by early to mid next week. But in between that time, do expect red days towards the end of the week this week, and then slowly starting to gain value towards early to mid next week, heading to around the 2 cents target is what my expectations are. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We do have the blue line still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, the orange line is now looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. Only reason is right now it's increasing in value, but over the last week or two, as you can see, it's been constantly dropping in value more or less. So the graph has given us some mixed signals here, but over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid-May 2023, so over the next 2 months approximately, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Velo, potentially heading to about 4 to 5 cents is what I'm expecting by mid to late May 2023, only if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. Any little news can have a major impact on the value of Velo, either in a positive or negative direction. But either way, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, on any major updates or major news that can have a major impact on the crypto market. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, so good for Velo for the short and long term as well. But just because it's looking good, it doesn't mean it's not going to take any drops or dips in between. Of course it is. So for those of you guys who are looking to trade Velo for the short term, make sure your risk management is on point. But personally, I don't tend to do short term trading, especially when it comes to crypto, only because of how volatile the crypto market is. I tend to stick to the long term trade for crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Velo. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. Again, there's no much point doing a prediction with using the MACD indicator, only because sorry, not the MACD indicator, the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are trading all the way at the bottom tail level of the red zone, and we've got quite a long way for us to hit the green zone or the resistance target here, which is 47 cents. So to go from just about 1 cent to 47 cents is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Velo anytime soon. Even in the next few years, I'm not expecting it to hit the green zone. So for now, we are stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we slowly and steadily gain value, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Velo, guys. Let me know, when are you guys expecting Velo to be hitting 5 cents? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.